Do a little test pattern first. It works. All right, 10 minutes. All right, I can't even lie. Yeah, it's hot in there. I should be breathing normally, but I'm just like, oh, maybe I shouldn't breathe this in. So, I mean, the mask helped, but still. So, all right, I just put the first coat of clear on there. My goal is to do 3 coats. It takes 10 minutes between each layer. So based upon what I just saw there, it looks pretty good. That's just the first coat. After I apply the second and third coat, it should be a lot better. So we'll give it 10 minutes and then go back outside. Take a look at it. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go back outside and see. Oh, maybe I should put the mask on first because, oh man, it's so crazy out there. I don't want to go in the garage with that smell out there. So I'm gonna put this on before I go outside. Take this off. Boom. Boom. Somebody's texting me. I think it's Booski. Alright. Let's go in the garage. Field trip time. Look at that. It's all hazy in here. There you go. That's the first coat. I'm gonna do 2 more layers of clear and see how it looks. Another 10 minutes, let's go. This thing works pretty good because as soon as I take my mask off, I can smell the residue, probably on my clothes as well. Once I have my mask on though, I can't smell anything, so that's pretty good. That means it's working as advertised. So I would highly recommend you get a mask if you're gonna use that kind of a chemical to spray your car. Even if it's the regular over-the-counter, off-the-shelf type of spray paint or clear coat, I would recommend you guys get a mask. I mean, it's only $20, so that could save you a couple of years off your life. Yeah, we don't want anyone passing out. So, my thoughts thus far, I think I have enough paint in the can or clear coat in the can to actually do a third coat, which is good. I'm kind of tempted to doing a thicker wet coat, but I won't do that. I don't want to mess it up. I was kind of impressed when I got out there. After 10 minutes, it looked pretty even and glossy, so I think the medium coats that I'm doing should be fine. It's raining right now. I can't bring it out today. Obviously, it's raining, so I'll probably leave it in the garage the whole night tonight. Maybe once it stops raining, I'll move it over, and it should be good. They recommend that you don't drive the car for 24 hours or at least overnight. So it's going to be in the garage for almost 18 hours. That's good enough. By then, it should be hard enough to drive on the highway. So anyways, 10 more minutes, well, 6 more minutes now. And then we head back out there and put the final third coat on there. And yeah, see how it goes. All right. Let's go outside. Take a look at this one more time. Take a look at this. All right, it looks good. Maybe a little bit of orange peel, but that's gonna get up with the buffer and the polisher. Man, I wish I had another light right here. All right, don't laugh at me, but I brought my my lamp from inside here. Apparently, I have a lot of clear coat right here. Not so much right here. All right, let's do it. I think that's it. All right, we are done. This is what it looks like. Obviously, it's not dry yet, but I'm gonna get out of here. All right, I'm back inside. It was pretty gnarly out there. Whew. As you can see, what you heard, I pretty much got the whole thing covered, and it was just at the end where it ran out. I just heard more air than content, so more than clear coat coming out. So the can was enough for 3 coats on the roof, which is good because I didn't want to activate that other can. But I think the second, especially this layer, I took my time, so it was a heavier coat. There was a little bit less orange peel on there, so it looks smoother. But time will tell. Once I take it outside and take a look at it, I'll see. All right, so it's almost 4 o'clock p.m. I think I started like around 1 o'clock. It took me approximately maybe 3 hours to get this whole thing done. So I would definitely give yourself 3 to 4 hours. I'm back home. It's 11 p.m. I'm still wearing this stupid mask because it smells pretty bad in here. But I am gonna try to take off all the protective, all the papers, newspapers, and try to peel it off as safely as possible. I know I have a little issue here with some clear coat on the window. I'm going to try and get that off. Actually, I'm going to open the garage a little bit. Okay. Not too bad. Anyways, that was a nice, good project. If you want to see work on Blueski's car, the Integra, just hit the like, comment down below. Whatever that guy was saying. No, but seriously, if you like these videos, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. It was a pleasure making these films for you guys. I would be doing this anyways, whether or not the camera was rolling. So, until next time, peace.